What is up, YouTube? What's up? Welcome back to another video, guys. I mean, if y'all been following me on social media or anything like that, y'all know I haven't been posting a lot. Reason why I haven't been posting a lot is because I've been busy with the SS clone, the one that's for my son. We've been working on that all week. We painted it, it's done. We were prepping it and everything, priming it, you know, fixing all the little dents here and there. We got it all done. Trans Am's right here. It's been sitting outside for a while, so it's dirty. I'm gonna go wash it right after this because I think we're finally done, you know, sanding and everything. So, I mean, for the most part, the truck came out nice. What I mean nice is not a show truck. I can tell you that. I was never going for a show truck. I never intended it, you know, to go out there and win best paint job at a truck show. That this was not what I, you know, from the beginning I said I'm not going to take my time and do all that. I'm just going to get it done, get it resprayed, you know. Like, again, it's for a 16-year-old, you know, to drive, daily drive, go to school, you know, do his little thing, you know. That's all that this truck is meant for, to be a driver. It's not meant to be, you know, a show truck. If it was meant to be a show truck, believe me, I would have got a professional to give me a professional paint job, and I would have probably spent close to, you know, anywhere from 10 to 15K on a show quality paint job. But we literally did this in our garage, me and him. You know, we did it in about a week. You can see right there.
No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot.
I mean, as you can see, it is not show quality. It just looks good from far away. It looks good. It's repaint. I repainted it white. I did the SS bumper. We did the grill. We did the mirrors. We did door handles. We did the door handles. We'll go around so y'all can see. Like I said, guys, it's just a paint job that we literally did in less than a week. We did it in our garage, no booth, nothing like that, no special equipment. This was literally just me and my son. We knocked it out in less than a week. And this is the you know, what it looks like. I mean, I know there's professionals out there that are gonna be like, well, you know, it's missing this and it doesn't look right and all this. Well, we literally got done yesterday. I'm gonna give it about 4 weeks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and probably wet sand and buff the whole thing just to give it that extra shine. But I mean, it is what it is for now. I did want to get the claddings, but the claddings are just out of budget right now. It's just not going to happen anytime soon. I think the claddings, they quoted me, I think for complete SS claddings was with brackets, I think like 2400. But there it is, guys. That's the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado that we're trying to make a SS clone out of it. I mean, we're almost there. We need the claddings, the drop, the wheels. You know, that's going to be in the near future. Obviously, I'm not going to buy everything for him since this is his truck. I want him to work for his wheels, his drop kit, you know, stuff like that. You know, I'm not just going to go out. I think I did enough. I mean, what 16-year-old gets a truck, a single cab truck, paint job and everything, you know, I think, I mean, for now it's good to take it to school, drive it around, you know, it's good for a 16-year-old, you know. So I'm gonna let him, you know, work for the rest of his stuff, you know, like his drop, his wheels, and his sound system that he wants in there. You know, y'all know, y'all know how the truck scene is right now. Y'all know what these kids like and stuff. But I mean, here it is, guys. If y'all haven't seen me active on social media, it's because we literally have been trying to bust this out every day for the last week. And I think it turned out good for us, just, you know, doing it in our garage. Literally turned out pretty good, you know. I can't complain. It's good for what it is. I think the next thing he said he wants to do is he wants to drop it. But I know if he wants to drop it, he's gonna have to get like low profile tires or get wheels. That's another reason why I didn't cover the wheels, because I knew these wheels were just throwaway wheels. So I wasn't worried about them getting overspray on them. It is what it is. They're coming off anyway. But that's the update, guys. As far as the Trans Am, it's just dirty. It's been running good. The daily, the truck, that's been running good too. They're just been sitting out here. They get dirty and stuff like that. But yeah, hell yeah, guys. We'll see you on the next one.